Do you ever run into this? When your table has too many data series, the created line chart turns into a tangled mess, and it's almost impossible to read clearly. But if we add checkboxes, you can control which line to show, and the chart becomes instantly clear and dynamic. Today I'll show you 2 ways to create an interactive line chart with checkboxes. Method 1. Use checkbox and helper column. Here I've got a dataset of annual sales from different stores, and need to create a dynamic line chart based on it. Go to Developer. Insert. Pick the checkbox from Form Controls. Draw it next to the table. Copy and paste the checkbox to match the number of series. For example, I've got 5 stores, so I'll make 5 checkboxes. Arrange these checkboxes in a row. Right-click each checkbox. Select Edit Text. Rename it to match each store name. Right-click the checkbox again. Select Format Control from the context menu. In the pop-up window, click the cell link box, and pick an empty cell, like T2. It is optional to check the 3D shading box to make the checkbox look nicer. Then click OK. Now when you check the box, the linked cell shows true. Uncheck it, and it shows false. Do the same for the rest of the checkboxes. Here I've linked the 5 checkboxes to T2 through T6. Copy the existing store name list to a new column. In the helper column next to store A, type this formula. Make sure to lock the column reference for T2. Press Enter. Then drag the formula to the right and down to fill all store data. Now only the checked stores will display their numbers, unchecked ones stay blank. Select the helper data, including the store names. Go to Insert. Insert Line or Area Chart. Line Chart. A dynamic line chart is now ready. To make the chart and checkboxes look like one unit, resize the chart to cover all the checkboxes. Remove the chart title. Right-click the chart. Select Send to Back to make the checkboxes stay on top. Then drag the plot area down to keep checkboxes outside the plot area. Now the chart and the checkboxes look perfectly connected as one clean visual block. Check a box that line appears. Uncheck it, the line disappears. But as you can see, this involves multiple steps, controls, formulas, formatting. That's why next, I'll show you how Kutools does it in one click. After installing Kutools for Excel, select your data range. Open Kutools tab. Select Charts. Category Comparison. Checkbox Line Chart. In the pop-up window, the series range, axis labels, and series names are automatically filled for you. Just click OK. The interactive line chart with checkboxes is instantly created. Check the series you want, and the chart updates in real time. No controls, no formulas, no manual setup. That's the power of Kutools. One click, done. Manual setup versus Kutools one-click solution. Which one would you choose? Follow me for more Excel tips.